Oh, good morning everyone.
Bye bye, Waco. Mojito, happy birthday. I see you soon. I'm gonna miss you guys. Bye bye. Get my fresh new shoes. Show me your finger. Matching with the car from today. Now my car is just warming up. We are waiting for Michiel. Mojito. Hey. Goodbye boys. My guy. What do you do for a living?
Instagram.
So we are already here in the Netherlands. You can see these beautiful views. Welcome to the Netherlands, where you can drive 70 on the highway. Here it's only 50. Come on. So we are on our way. So we are on our way to a very famous location.
Flitspaal 50 km/h.
So we are here back at Supercar Buena Vida. The question is, which car are we taking today? Here we already have a famous Lamborghini Aventador, but this car is not our choice. Carbon fiber splitter, grey wheels, really a good spec. What do you think of the spec?
Nice.
You like it?
Yes.
Pretty clean. Now it's our time to choose one of those. So we have the Nissan GTR Nismo, Mercedes-AMG GTR, the Lamborghini Huracan Evo Spyder, and the Ferrari 458 Italian Spyder. Choice is ours. I think we are taking these two out for a drive. Are you excited?
Yes.
Mitchie Ferrari fan? Ferrari
Of
Saturday?
course.
Just look at those interior. The carbon fiber steering wheel. Cadillac. And this is my ride for today. It's a bit dark here. We have the McLaren 570S, which I drove a few months ago. The lightning is really bad. We have an R8 Spyder, the new Ferrari FF, and a Lightning McQueen. The Lamborghini Huracan Evo Spyder. We have 640 horsepower.
Something like that, yeah.
600 Nm of torque. Oh my god. It's gonna be epic.
Bij je? Ah, kijk, verdomme.
Nou, deze even afstand doen. Als u er mij dan strak wilt filmen, dan is het al klaar.
Ja.
Rechts is het zeker?
Ja, en van de rest wil ik mij even jou filmen natuurlijk. Zo Vincent.
Victor, het is Victor.
Oh ja, gaan we even overnieuw. Snel hè?
Ja.
Ja. Ja, nu kan je gas geven.
En nu eentje?
En nu eentje. Ja.
Oké. Dit is maar zo gewoon ben ik nog niet aan het zo.
Ja, dat is wennen hè?
Ja,
Ja.
klein stukje.
Een beetje doorrijden hier zo.
Geen woorden voor.
Lekker hè? You're enjoying yourself.
You can say that, at least. It's unreal. The Lamborghini Huracan Evo Spyder. And
Some leveling.
yes. De reacties van de mensen zijn altijd geweldig. Hè?
Ja, die kinderen helemaal joh.
Wat sprinkles.
Lekker hè?
Mooi.
Altijd ja. Go. Langer hè? Dat is niet normaal.
Nee,
Ja, niet normaal. Nee.
Lambo. Insane. Okay, so we have finished the ride in the Lamborghini Huracan Evo Spyder. The car is amazing. Here is the jet engine start button, the different sport modes. We drove Corsa, of course. Michiel, now it's your turn.
Yes.
You excited?
Yes.
Now I gotta play a bit. Now it's Michiel. It's Ferrari 458 Spyder. You have a lot of carbon fiber options here, and then the Huracan Evo going back inside. Ooh. Michiel, I think you're gonna like this one.
Yes. Maar
Michiel,
moet hij dat kunnen
best of
houden?
luck.
Thanks.
I see you over there.
Yes.
already completed one of my goals this year. We drove a Lamborghini, not this one, but the Lamborghini Huracan Evo Spyder, which I told you guys about 10 times today. But man, I'm just so stoked. Just appreciate this Lamborghini again. Aventador. Not joking. That's so cool. How is it? Can I hear some revs?
Amazing.
You like it?
Yes.
You want one?
Yes. I take it home.
Look at the happy face.
Voilà.
Spaceship. First line, 600 horsepower. Launch the 600 LT. All those carbon fiber options. Alles. Ja. Middle, dash. It's just insane. Shout out to Buena Vida Supercars.
Thank you, no
Link
problem.
down below. And I thought I was fast. Man, that 600 LT is in all of the world.